Assalamualaikum and good day to Sir Hafiz and everyone. In this video, we from Group 4 will present about our home energy audit. So, why we need to do the home energy audit? This is because we are in a difficult situation to sustain our financial state. Due to COVID-19 pandemic and movement control order, it's hard for us to find a part-time job to pay the utilities for the house. Therefore, we're going to develop a potential energy cost saving to the house to able to sustain our financial situation.
Assalamualaikum, my name is IZZATI with a metric of B06181031. So I would like to present the baseline energy consumption for the past 6 months, which is from July to December. So for the first month, which is July, the electrical usage is 350 kilowatt per hour with a cost of 102 ringgit with 20 cents, while on August, the electric usage is 480 kilowatt per hour with a cost of 167.70 cents. So for the third month, which is September, the electrical usage is 459 kilowatt per hour with a cost of 137 ringgit 35 cents. With the next month is October, which is 442 kilowatt per hour with a cost of 129 ringgit 75 cents. Next month is November with the electrical usage of 517 kilowatt per hour and the cost of 163 ringgit and 20 cents. While the last month is December with the electrical usage of 429 kilowatt per hour and the cost of 123 ringgit and 15 cents. So that's all for my part. I will pass the slide to the next presenter. Thank you.
Hi, my name is PUTERI NURALIAH binti Raja AFANDI, matrix number B0618810080. So my part is question 2, which is the cost saving target for energy consumption. So the first one, we need to have a graph for us to calculate the time dependent analysis, and then we need to know what is the minimum and maximum value for the month for electrical usage and also the cost. So after we identify, July is the minimum value for the overall months, and so for the November is the maximum value for overall months. And then we need to calculate the total for electrical usage and also the total cost, and then we need to have the average value for electrical usage, and after that we need to calculate the energy efficiency index. How to calculate the EEI? Okay, we need to divide the number of electrical usage for every month with the number of households. So our household is 6 people, so we need to divide by 6 and then we get the value. Okay, now for the conclusion is the set target for energy consumption and cost must be not more than the total average for energy consumption and cost. That's all from me. I will pass my presentation to my next member. Thank you so much.
Hello, now I'm going to present about the appliances measurement. So to find the energy consumption for 1 month, we have to use this formula, which is first, divide the appliances wattage where we can find at the label or online by 1000 to convert to kilowatt per hour. Then multiply times, which is how many hours we use the appliances, and lastly multiply 30 days to know the monthly energy consumption. For our case, we need to find 6-month energy consumption, so just use the monthly energy consumption and multiply 6 to know the total 6-month energy usage. Now let's see the measurement of each appliances. The power consumption for television is 66 watt, divide by 1000 to convert to kilowatt per hour, and times 14 hours usage, times 30 days to know the monthly consumption, which is 27.72 kilowatt per hour. Then just times 6 to know the 6 months energy consumption, which is 166.32 kilowatt per hour. The power consumption for air conditioner is 643 watt, divide by 1000 to convert to kilowatt per hour, times 6 hours usage per day, and times 30 days to know the monthly consumption, which is 115.74 kilowatt per hour. Then just times 6 to know the 6-month energy consumption for air conditioner, which is 694.44 kilowatt per hour. The power consumption for refrigerator is 154 divided by 1000 to convert to kilowatt per hour, and time 24 hours usage per day times 30 days to know the monthly consumption, which is 110.88 kilowatt per hour. Then times 6 to know the 6-month energy consumption, which is 665.28 kilowatt per hour. The power consumption for each LED lamp on the floor is 20 watt. So since in the house we have 13 units, so we need to times 13 and divide 1000 to convert to kilowatt per hour, and times 12 hours usage per day, and times 30 days to know the monthly usage, which is 93.6 kilowatt per hour. Then just times 6 to know the 6 months energy consumption, which is 561.6 kilowatt per hour. The power consumption for washing machine is 200 watt, divide by 1000 to convert to kilowatt per hour, and times 5 hours usage per day, then times 30 days to know the monthly usage, which is 30 kilowatt per hour. Then just times 6 to know the 6-month energy consumption, which is 180 kilowatt per hour. The power consumption for rice cooker is 600 watt, divide by 1000 to convert it to kilowatt per hour, and times 2 hours usage per day times 30 days to know the monthly consumption, which is 36 kilowatt per hour. And then just times 6 to know the 6-month usage, which is 216 kilowatt per hour. After we calculate all the data, now we can know the percentage of each equipment. And here, based on the table, cuckoo is the highest, which is 29.09% usage, and the lowest is 3.20%, which is television Panasonic. That's all for my part. Thank you. I will let my next member to continue the presentation.
My name is NURALIAH BINTI and I will explain about the proposed energy and cost saving measure. Okay, first you can change your everyday habits. By doing household chores manually, you may also use energy intensive appliances less. Okay, second is buy electrical appliances with the label Energy Star. You can search for product with the Energy Star logo by selecting the energy efficient appliances that tells you the average consumption of electricity depending on the star ranking scale. Okay, 5 star means the most efficient. For example, washing machine. This house can reduce energy consumption by 30% rather buying a new washing machine that use lower watts. You must follow the guideline when use the appliances. Okay, from the table, it shows the appliances potential saving energy and cost for a month and 6 months. Okay, for air conditioner, we propose a new type that only 0.32 kilowatt. So the saving per month is 57.87 kilowatt hour and 347.22 kilowatt hour for 6 months. For the cost, RM RM12.62 per month, while RM RM179.20 for 6 months. For washing machine, we did not propose new type, but as mentioned earlier, the house can reduce the energy for 30%, which make the saving energy per month is 10.8 kilowatt hour and 54 kilowatt hour for 6 months, while the cost saving per month is RM RM2.40 and RM11.80 for 6 months. That's all from me. I'll pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Hi, my name is AZWANI binti Muhammad Ibrahim. In my parts, I'll present about financial performance. In these slides, we have performed the financial based on the equipment. We decide a few of equipments, have proposed a new type, and another we have to reduce the energy consumption. For example, we propose a new type of air conditioner, which is we change to inverter air conditioner, that the energy potential savings around 694.44 kilowatts hour per year, and when we calculate the savings around 151.44 cents based on the kilowatt hour energy we use, and the investment of these equipments around 1,008 ringgit. And when we calculate based on investment divided by the cost of the energy potential saving, we got 7.3 years to pay back our period. That's all for me. Thank you. I'll pass to next presenter.
Hi, my name is RAFI AIMAN and I will continue from here. In the summary of energy conservation measure, we have divided it into 3 types of segment, which is low, medium, and high cost measure. And we have ranked it up into 3 priorities. So the first one is reduce the water temperature of the washing machine. The second one is maintain the temperature of air conditioner between 20 to 23 degrees. And the third one is reduce standby power consumption. So the second priority, we have 2 from the low cost measure, which is install new rice cooker with lower energy consumption in keeping warming. And the second one is install new ceiling fan with efficiency energy. So the third rank is high cost measure. We have 2, which is install new cuckoo and install interval air conditioner. So to sum it up, the total potential energy saving is 4.127.81 and the cost of potential saving is 1.264.99 and the total investment is 8,396.04 and the payback period is 6.64. And lastly, the total percentage of energy saving is 236.43%. And that's all from our group. Thank you.